I'm going to teach you how to make activator. Add 1 teaspoon of borax powder into some hot water. Mix until all the borax powder fully dissolves. And then voila, you have activator. And then you can either add it in a spray bottle or a container. And you only need to use little by little